Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Miguel Garcia and today I am going to be showing you how I groom a poodle. I am going to be going like really short. The family is taking him to the beach and to different water events that they're going to have. So we are going to go really short, and I just wanted to show you this pup is not matted at all, not even a single one. It's really nice, taken care, very well taken care. So without any further ado, let's get on it. Okay, so now we are back, and I'm going to be using my white blade from Olga. The brand is Dalila. The link is down below. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me showing you how I do it. And I'm in love with these blades. They actually save stress, like a lot of stress from that the pups get from the grooming. With this blade, you actually can cut the grooming time. So it's awesome. So I really recommend them. They're not paying me or anything like that. Like I say, this is not a sponsored video. So the link is down below if you want to check them out. So let's get on it. I'm going to start from the back, and we're going to move, from the neck, and we're going to move to the legs, just like with single strokes, long strokes. So we're going to be taking advantage of the blade. And as you can see, it actually cuts like butter. It's actually really nice. If you heard the noise from my Bowls ZR, which is the clipper that I'm using, either one, this company is also from Andes. They are not like paying me in any way. This is just what I'm using. You don't have to be using the machine, the clipper, or whatever you call it that I am using. Is just for demonstration purposes, you know. And remember, what works for me not necessarily have to work for you, or vice versa. But I'm just showing you how I'm doing it. So basically, I'm just giving you the example of how we work here at Dalila's. If you want to set up an appointment, the link is down below. Give us a call. Or if you want to do a collaboration or anything like that, send me an email. The email is also in the description box. So just feel free. I'm open to work and do anything that I have to do.
Wow. Hay que chequearle. ¿Aquí no es otra?
No. Sí.
Sí, es otra garrapata. Lo voy a llamar para dejarle saber. ¿Sí?
So I just discovered that the pup has ticks. I'm going to be showing you right here. See this one right here? That's a tick. And here's another one. I'll show you. I don't know if I can. If we can see right there. There's another one. So we also offer the anti-flea and bug protection bats. So if you want to give us a call, please do so we can schedule an appointment. I'm going to be removing those sticks, and I am going to be burning them because this is not good. And this is the clear example that sometimes you take them to the beach, or you take them, you know, for a walk or park or something like that, and they can get infested anywhere and super fast. So I'm going to be showing you in a second. Also, if you know that you live in areas where there's like a fleas or ticks infestation, you can speak to your vet and he can recommend something for to protect your dogs from the craziness of the ticks. So I'm going to be using, no, I'm not going to be using that. They need to be taken out. Just trying to see if there's any other ones so I can get them all out, because they're so small that you can barely see them. So I need to remove the hair. If you heard the noise from my machine, it's because I have the microphone like attached to myself, and it's actually taking all the little noises that you can imagine. You can hear everything, even the conversations from outside. I love this microphone, and the recorder also. So I'm basically just removing the hair to see if there's any more ticks. Now we're going to be doing the face. Basically, all we're gonna leave is the ears and the tail, but basically almost everything needs to be gone. My assistant is already calling the family to see what we're gonna be doing. And we are going to be also like shaving the ears because we found ticks. So So what I do every time I get like situations like this, like I get the bombs like from to kill any animals that can be like doing it anyway. We do it every week, but in cases like this, like I'm gonna be doing it again tonight, so there will be any survivors. So this is how the pup is looking. And by the way, it's a boy, it's not a girl. It's a boy. I don't know if I say it was a girl, but it's a boy. So as you can see, we almost done. Okay, so now we are gonna be doing the chest. Okay. Sí. We're gonna be doing the chest. Y tiene varias, tiene en el pecho y en las piernas también. El video. So also what I use is the video for in situations like this, because sometimes people is like, no, I don't believe you. My dog is not infested with fleas or ticks. Surely the I'm not gonna be like bringing fleas or ticks to get it to your dog to have an extra charge, you know. So going to be taking selfies or pictures from the ticks, just to prevent. Okay.
Como video, fotos y todo eso. Dice que tan raro que porque a él no es sino lo sacan los 2 veces al día y que no mantienen afuera.
Okay.
El hecho es que si tiene contacto con el pasto,
Sí.
eso le viene. De todas maneras, si tiene contacto con el pasto, hay la posibilidad, porque los animalitos ahorita en este tiempo del brotados. No hay necesidad cuando empiezan las hojas.
Pero tiene varias. So, oh, by the way, I switched my my blade. Right now, I am using a number 10, and I am not like basically like pressing as I am grooming. I'm just like doing a light pressure so I can just like remove the longer hairs, and he can have a more even cut. But right now we are going to be doing the ears, and I am going to be using my Evolution shears right here. The link is also going to be in the description box. And if you like my shirt, give me the thumbs up. I made it I didn't make the shirt, but I did the printing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying this video. I also have like other videos that you can watch and share with your family and friends. So right now I'm doing the ears. Right. So we are going to be combing out the other one. Okie dokie. So baby boy is done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Miguel Garcia. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far on the video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you next time.